it. Number 3 is GEEETECH Auto Leveling 3D Printer. The GEEETECH Mizar S Auto Leveling 3D Printer is an optimistic companion for clay cutting enthusiasts. With its cutting-edge features, this printer takes your creativity to new heights with a sprinkle of fun and excitement. Imagine effortlessly achieving precise auto leveling with just the touch of a button. No more fussing over external leveling accessories or elaborate setups. The Mizar S's dual leveling system and high-precision sensor make bed leveling a breeze, even for beginners. And guess what? It also offers a user-friendly GML manual leveling mode, perfect for those just starting their clay cutting journey. Stability is vital when creating flawless clay designs. The Mizar S covers you. Its fully fixed heat bed design ensures minimal deformation due to temperature changes, guaranteeing a stable printing experience. The magnetic platform with a steel sheet takes adhesion to another level, making model removal easier. With a generous 255 by 255 by 260 mm build volume, your clay creations can reach impressive heights. The dual Z-axis screw design enhances printing quality, ensuring your models come out exquisitely detailed as if they were crafted by magic. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.